Hello and welcome to All City CAD tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can copy all your settings on a particular Revit project into another. So what do you do? Now the first thing you need to do is to open the old Revit project and make sure it's open, and then when it's open you open your project, your new project, or another project that you want to copy these settings to. But for me, I'll be opening a new Revit project and copying all my settings on that old project into this particular project. So this is my fresh project, my fresh page in Revit in a separate project entirely. So I'll be going to manage. When you go to manage, you will see two important tools here. You have the project parameters and the transfer project standard. The project parameter simply is all the settings on this page as it is at the moment, but I'm going to be transferring project standard, which is everything I've already set in that old project. Now you can see after you click on project standard, the old project you've opened will automatically be recognized by Revit. And in here you can see the old project, you can see all the settings on all the elements in that project. I can uncheck any one I don't want to copy into this new project, but I'm going to OK it because I want to copy everything. So once you've copied, you receive a message like this, or you may not, but if you receive a message you can overwrite, so that it can totally override anything that is the same thing with what you are copying on this your page. So everything will be totally the settings from that old project. So I think that is about it. So if you want to copy any settings from an old project into another one, you now know how to do it. So let me know what you think of this video in the comment section, and whether it has been helpful to you, and you can also make suggestions. Don't forget you can also subscribe in order to see similar videos like this in subsequent time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.